Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Jamey in Kentucky on this new old stock RCI-2950 Mirage. I want you to take a good look at this thing, guys. I removed this from the plastic and the packaging, converted it. This thing is nice. Pearly whites. All the knobs real good and tight. Just a super radio. It's really nice to dig into one of these. It's been so many years since I'd find an unmolested one to tear into. They're such a clean sounding radio when they're set up right. Great for AM, great for sideband. So we got you set up, Jamey. Voltage regulator upgrade and our tune alignment. Wired the static mic for you, 6-pin. Let's get right to it. 5-watt slug, half watt all the way down, 5 watts all the way up, 50-watt slug, and average power. Hello, about 14 bird. Peak power. Hello, 35 peak. No, they're not a MOSFET monster. They're sporting the old bipolars. They're reliable and they're clean. Jamey, I think you're really going to enjoy adding this to your collection. I'm glad it's going to you. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump up.